Unlock the power of if clauses and express possibilities like a pro. Hello language learners. Today we're diving deep into a fundamental grammar topic, conditional sentences. Understanding these if clauses is key to expressing possibilities and outcomes in English. Conditional sentences show that when action depends on another, they are crucial for discussing hypothetical situations, future plans, or general truths. We'll focus on the first conditional, which talks about real possibilities in the future. The basic structure for the first conditional is if present simple will base verb. For example, if you study, you will pass. This means your passing depends on your studying. Let's try some examples together. If I sleep early, I will wake up fresh. Or, if we help others, Allah will help us. Notice how the if clause sets the condition for the main clause. Now, it's your turn. Craft your own first conditional sentence and share it in the comments below. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to Hashim's Mind Spark for more grammar insights.